Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind your Longines automatic or mechanical watch. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description below. So if you have an automatic or mechanical movement and you want to wind your watch, before you do that you want to set the time. So you do that by pulling the crown to the last position, in this case the second one because we have a date complication. In this position I am going to set the time, so always rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. After you have done so, simply push the crown all the way back in. So we have set the time, now we want to wind the watch. So what you need to do is to rotate the watch crown to the right, so in a clockwise direction. Just like this. And you can also hear the watch wind. Now, if you have a mechanical Longines watch, you will need to wind it regularly before wearing it, because after 24 or 48 hours, the watch will lose that energy. But if you have an automatic, just like this one, it has a small rotor, so an extra metallic part here on the back, and as you move, it will actually also move and wind the watch. So that will actually wind the watch for you as you wear it. So these are the two differences between a mechanical and an automatic watch, either Longines or from other watch brands. So that was the quick tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed, once again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website, vintageradar.com. Thank you guys, and see you on the next one.